Hi everyone, I'm YaYa, and I want to welcome you back to the Beginner's Playlist, the best easy watercolor tutorials out there. Today we're going to celebrate fall and Thanksgiving with warm, cozy watercolor projects that anyone can do, from pumpkins and leaves to festive table accents, like my sign. These beginner-friendly tutorials bring the beauty of autumn and Thanksgiving straight to your brush. So grab that brush and let's go look at Thanksgiving and fall. So today we're going to do some super easy fall icons, pumpkins, acorns, colorful leaves, and they're made from really simple shapes. So if you've never painted before, you'll be amazed at how easy they are. So this was, as you saw in the opening, this is my Happy Thanksgiving sign. And if you watched the Christmas videos, a couple episodes back, there were some wreaths and hearts that she made with the same shape. And basically it looks complicated, but it really isn't. It's taking your brush, putting it down and pushing down to make the leaf shape on it. So very simple leaf patterns on it. And the lessons learned here, you notice how this is a little crowded right here. That's because, as usual, YaYa made a mistake. I've started actually one of the first little thing of leaves coming out. I started here, and somehow I was doing it, and I don't know if it was crooked line, whatever. I don't remember what it is now, but it just messed it up. So we just crowded in a few, this one in particular, and this one, a few extra leaves. You can see some extra paint down there from it to cover it up. And hey, would you have noticed it if I didn't point it out? So learn from your mistakes and try to fix it before you totally give up on it. So I like the way that one turned out, and I may put it on my Thanksgiving table. So next Thanksgiving item is the little Thanksgiving gnome. And he's on your list, and he's actually listed as an acrylic tutorial, and he is an acrylic tutorial. But as I told you before, you find inspiration in many places, not just watercolor tutorials. If you remember when in the animals one, when I did the camouflage bear, I was inspired by giraffes, a pair of giraffes, and not a mommy baby. But same thing with this. He's different colors in the tutorial. I made him more holiday colors, but the general idea is the same with the gnome and the pumpkins and the happy Thanksgiving. So showed this to my critics around here, and they all said, that looks like a gift card. So hey, you've got some other gift card videos. This one could easily be made into a Thanksgiving card. So switching to fall, this is one of the tutorials on your list, and it's just acorns and oak leaves and very simple. Again, she uses wet on wet, does some outlining and splattering. What could you not like about it? But that's me. I like those kind of things. So very simple. She walks you through it. There's some dry time in it again. So you have to let it dry and do some of the, the added work on the stem and the splatters. But I liked it. It was very cute. She actually did it for a card, and this would also make a nice card. And last one today is an autumn scene in fall foliage. And you know how I have a mindset against landscape that I can't do it. This is the first landscape I've done that I've actually liked. And again, it was very simple. And it takes a little while because there's layers and she lets it dry, but very simple. The only lesson learned is when she does this wash, which down here looks really good, but up here, if you look behind these leaves, it was a little darker than it should have been because she was using her dirty water. And so she said, you'll see it. And I liked it down here. It looks good down here. And it looks good behind the trees. But up here, it got a little dark. So when you're doing that first wash, remember to keep it light, from about here on up. So it's not distracting behind your trees there. But I still like it. Favorite landscape that I've done. And that's it for today. So grab your fall colors and your brush and have some fun. So as always, let's go through our best easy videos. So the first two on the list are making Thanksgiving cards, and those are the ones that inspired my Thanksgiving wreath, the one that I had to fix, so to speak. And the next one down is that landscape picture that I showed you, the first landscape I've done that I actually liked. And the next one down is the acrylic watercolor painting, and that was the little gnome guy. So again, he's fun to do them in watercolor. And the last one was the oak and leaves. So I hope you enjoy Thanksgiving and fall as much as I did. I actually had fun on these videos. Well, I always have fun. I shouldn't say that, but I am thankful for the videos this week, and I hope you're thankful too. So thanks for falling into fall with me today. So grab those brushes and maybe a slice of pumpkin pie. Yeah, I do have a lot of food references. I like to snack. What can I say? Anyway, for for inspiration, let's eat, huh? And let's celebrate fall and Thanksgiving with watercolor art that's as easy as it is festive. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe below so you're notified when the next video is coming out. So let's close as usual with YaYa's Irish blessing. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May your heart be light, your colors bright, and may joy and peace fill you with the beauty that you create. Until next time, bye.